who he has to lead. Over to you, Toastmaster Lokesh Ranka. All the best for your final project from this particular part.
Quick check audio, video. Am I audible, visible?
Yes, you are audible and visible.
Thank you.
Lokesh, can you confirm you can see the timer cards once
Yes,
again?
I can.
Thank you.
Coming together is beginning. Keeping together is progress. And working together is success. On 1st January 2021, I got an opportunity to serve Tieto Every Toastmasters Club as the Vice President Education. I, along with 6 other members who form the core part of the executive committee, were elected to serve the club. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and our guest. The whole and sole purpose of leadership is to make sure that you understand the skills which are needed in that leadership, try to acquire, practice them, and make sure that wherever you are leading, like in this case, Tieto Toastmasters Club, move the club to the next level. I, along with 6 others, got that opportunity this year. Now, the first and the foremost portion of any leadership is OES. O for ownership, E for execution, and S for succession. I would briefly touch upon all these aspects in the next 5 minutes. Ownership. As you know, Toastmasters is a not-for-profit organization, and any leader associated with a Toastmaster at a club level, at an area level, at a district division level, all are not paid. They are volunteers who are helping the organization to grow in general. Ownership belongs to a person only when there is some internal motto for a person. Like in this case, it was not for money, but to groom my leadership skill and try to explore the leadership skill with a set of 25 different members who are associated with Tieto Every Toastmasters Club. It was a fantastic and fabulous journey. We are just coming to an end of our 6 months tenure. Our tenure would get over in July and the next set of leadership would be chosen. Trust me, I would recommend to take this opportunity to all the club members if they want to explore a different side of leadership. As ownership, I was involved to make sure that I push and also accept all the requests from all the 25 members to make sure that they go ahead in their educational journey. Now, educational journey is not limited to just speech slots. As everybody know, in a Toastmaster meeting, there are set of role players with our TMOD has explained it today, along with a set of speakers who try to deliver speeches on certain based objective. Also, it happens that these objectives helps to grow their communication skills, and the other set of playing different role players along with the executive committee of the club helps to groom your leadership skills. My job was to help people explore both areas. Now, on the execution part, it was very tricky in the initial days to accept this role and make sure that I perform to the best of my capabilities. Making sure that each and every member gets a fair chance in a Toastmaster meeting was the first thing on my agenda. That's why I pulled out the club roster from the Toastmasters site and tried to understand and evaluate where each and every person is on their educational journey. My first goal was to make sure that each and every member is enrolled to the new educational program of Toastmasters, which is called as Pathways. My second priority was to understand where each member stands and give them a fair chance in all the upcoming meetings. This was very fruitful to make sure that few of our members were able to achieve the Triple Crown Award, which means they completed 3 different levels over the course of time. I would like to pat the ExCom to give them the fair chance and help each and every member to achieve this. Now, as every leadership, and as I've already mentioned, that I'm coming to an end of this leadership journey as the VP Education. The next step for me is to find a succession. Succession has wide variety of avenues or points which have to be looked upon. First, a member should be active. Second, this should be an intrinsic strength or intrinsic motivation of a member to come forward and lead the organization in a role defined. If these two are missed, definitely the whole and sole purpose of executing that particular role in an efficient way can be lost or would not have that value if these 2 points are not covered. So I would urge, and in the coming days, try to have a discussion with each and every member to try to explore the wide variety of leadership roles which the Toastmasters is providing. I, along with my 6 other strong members who were elected as the ExCom, would like to open the floor and ask each and everyone to please nominate yourself so that you can explore this side of leadership also. As they say, the acronym of team is Together Everyone Achieves More. I would like all the members to be the part of team and explore and achieve more. Over to the Toastmaster of the day.